pieces which I named it as autonomous aerial projector. So the main idea of this is, if you go to a museum or an art gallery or a poster presentation, you don't need to have a person coming with you to explain what it is, how it works. And if you go to a museum, it doesn't need to explain what's the history of the monument you're looking at and all. Think this this drone flies with you wherever you go in the place where you are and explains you everything pictorially, or a video plays and you hear it with the earphones, and you'll have a clear idea rather than reading that. So if you go to a museum, it explains you about the history of monument you are looking at. And if you go to an art gallery, it says who is the artist and what it is about. And if you go to a poster presentation, it explains you what the poster is about and all. And you'll get if you see a video, you'll get what actually it is, and you'll have more clear vision than someone explains you. So here completes my introduction. Now we'll see what are the components we used and how it works. So coming to what are the components. So these are the small stone-like things called beacons. Beacons are usually the example I can give it as a lighthouse. So if you come to the lighthouse basically emits light to the ships continuously 24/7. So in the same way, these beacons gives out Bluetooth signals continuously 24/7. Like it ranges from 5 to 6 years. So, and each Bluetooth beacon has a unique ID, so it continuously emits the unique ID, and these unique IDs are taken by any applications that we develop. So coming to the other things, this is the projector we have used, and this is the drone we have used. Coming to the projector is loaded with Android 5.1 OS with a Bluetooth 4.0. So this projector, we have developed an Android application and installed in this projector, and this application continuously scans for the beacons. So as soon as it comes in the radius of the beacons, these beacons have a particular radius that we can set up. So as soon as the projector comes or the application comes in the radius of the beacons, it takes the unique ID and it pops up the information related to that ID onto the screen. So coming to the drone, this is a DJI Phantom 4K drone which has all advanced sensors. You can see ultrasonic sensors on the down which measures the altitude, and it maintains a 4 feet altitude depending on the environmental conditions. And this ends the components. So when coming to the working, here is the projector mounted on a drone, and when coming to the application, here comes the application called Beacon application at UB, and if I start that application, it pops up with a University of Bridgeport logo and then starts scanning for the beacons. So now, when coming to the beacons, we are working with 3 beacons, and we have placed 3 beacons for 3 different posters. And what these beacons does is, as soon as the projector comes in the radius of the beacons, and the projector takes this, say it comes here, and it takes the unique ID from this beacon, and the projector starts projecting the video related to this poster. And the same way it goes on after it continues to move towards its right, and as it approaches the next beacon, it starts scanning and it takes the ID, and it's the same process continues to the third one, and at the end it scans for like a minute or 2, and if it doesn't see any beacon in its premises, it starts landing and it comes to an end. So this is how my application works, and we'll just see a live demo how it works. So now we'll see the drone working mounted with the projector, and I'm gonna start the application. So now that drone is gonna scan for the beacons. the projector is gonna search for the backends. So as we completed with the backends, this is gonna land.